Ever wished you could make money with minimal effort, even if you're starting from scratch? Get ready, because I'm about to reveal the ultimate secret to earning cash using AI, perfect for beginners, students, and entrepreneurs alike. Forget complex software. We're talking about harnessing free, powerful AI tools like Google's incredible AI called the Nano Banana to create stunning designs in seconds. Imagine generating professional logos, captivating social media graphics, or unique illustrations with just a few simple prompts. Now here's the genius part. Take those amazing AI-generated designs and offer them as services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Businesses constantly need fresh visuals, and you'll be delivering high-quality work with unprecedented speed and ease. This isn't just a trick, it's a smart strategy. Stop dreaming and start doing. Your journey to becoming a successful AI freelancer, turning prompts into profit, begins right now. Let's get that money.